Everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got an update on the Nieuw Statendam from Holland, America. This is breaking news. It's March the 23rd, 2019, and the brand new Nieuw Statendam cruise ship was adrift in the sea just near Half Moon Key in the Bahamas. Engine problems. All power was lost to the cruise ship for several hours. It took a while for the engineers to get the electronics back up and running so that the air conditioning was running, refrigeration, food services, bathrooms, and so on. And then it took a couple of hours additional time for the engineers to restore partial propulsion power back to the ship. And she's working her way back to her home port here in Fort Lauderdale. The ship is on a one-week cruise in the Caribbean. She left March the 17th from Fort Lauderdale. She made it to Amber Cove. Then she worked her way over to San Juan, Puerto Rico. And then she docked in St. Thomas for a day. Yesterday was a sea day. Today was supposed to be Half Moon Key in the Bahamas. But this morning when the engine problems popped up, they canceled today's stop entirely. The ship right now is moving at about 15 knots, reduced speed, back to Fort Lauderdale. Good news, it's not running into weather like this. That picture is of the Viking Sky off the coast of Norway. She had engine problems today too, by the way. This ship is in much calmer waters and is working her way back to Fort Lauderdale. The ship is supposed to arrive tomorrow morning. It may not make it on time. The speculation is she might be late by several hours, which could cause delays, people getting off the ship, obviously, and new passengers getting on. The other question is, will engine problems be totally resolved by the time the ship returns to port tomorrow? We'll stay on top of this story. Keep an eye on it. We'll keep you posted on it. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week. Subscribe to my channel today, and we'll keep you posted on top of this story. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.